everyone. I would like to wish every woman out there a very happy Women's Day, and I hope you enjoy this special day. Today, on the occasion of Women's Day, we will be talking about a very special woman who goes by the name of Florence Nightingale, also known as the Lady with the Lamp. Now, some of you might be wondering, who is Florence? What did she do? Well, she was the first modern nurse. Now, let's take a closer look into what that means, how her life was like, and some other things about her. Florence was born on the 12th of May, 1820 and died on the 13th of August, 1910. She lived to be 90 years old. She died because of heart failure. She was born in Florence, Italy and died in London, but she lived a long life. Along with being a nurse, she was also an English social reformer, which meant she suggested better social and financial conditions for people who had jobs. Now, some of you might think that Florence actually invented nursing, but she was the first proper nurse, and she made sure hospitals were well sanitized and patients were treated well, because she noticed that they weren't. Also, during the Crimean War, she organized care for soldiers who were wounded. This is what she is best known for, and we say the best for laugh. Remember that nickname, the Lady with the Lamp? Where does she get it from? Why is she called that? During the Crimean War, she would visit the soldiers at night with a little lamp. So they decided to call her the Lady with the Lamp. And one last thing before we finish, Florence's parents actually didn't want her to be a nurse. They wanted her to meet wealthy men and live a nice life. But after some time, they gave in. Happy Women's Day once again, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye!